change our indicator. We do this. For this one, I just flip horizontal. Right. Yeah. So um, this is like bringing everything we have talked about today into one place. We have talked about the frame, placing images, text, colors, shapes, items inside your frames, um, different shapes, and every other thing that we've talked about today about what Figma does. We've been able to do this today and bring this up. So you start to see that designing digital interface isn't so much of a big deal, right? The main part of it is the process, the thoughts that comes into it. For now, we just design something, right? But there's a part where you need to meet the customer expectations. Maybe the customer is somebody that used to complain that my crypto platform, if I send money, it is not. It takes 1 year, right? Right? So then you use text like access crypto fast. So now they say, oh, it seems this platform will work for me. That's where UX writing come into place. Like we know what we need to write for the customer to feel like, okay, this is the platform I need to be able to access uh, what's to be able to entice um, the platform I want. Basically, sorry, I'm a bit distracted. Um, so give me just 1 minute. I'm coming. But before then, please let's drop our questions on the chat if we have any.
I'm not changing this folder. Where this folder? And he's trying to end. This sweet. Where did you get this one from? What is sweet?
All right, it
Small
seems
nice.
many of us don't have any questions, so let's just continue
Something
um,
like this.
what we're doing. So so that's like it. Bringing all these elements that we talked about into one
Sometimes
is what we can say we are
After
starting
time
to
for
design
those
interfaces
one,
for
but
ourselves.
put
So
the
this is, let's say,
sugar coated
onboarding
ones,
2,
those bare ones.
onboarding 3. This is very cool. We have been able to
But I
go from
stopped when the doctor said I
understanding
should
the
reduce
shapes,
what I'm
the
eating.
pen tool, the colors, um,
I don't know.
the
I just
text, and everything
yeah.
to creating this. Now, there's this part that we are going to watch, that we are going to have to do for ourselves when we get home,
I'm
which is
currently
the
in
second
Atlanta in two
assignment.
places. I don't know which one.
Now,
Maybe my destination wants better for me. Golden Cross and one of the houses.
access your favorite application and design home screens
I wanted to do that in one of these hospitals in Keja.
from
Like their color is red. Yeah, but the day we went there, graduated in here. The day we went there, it was so far. So they're like telling me that what if
on the interface.
the thing is how would I put it in English? What if there's an emergency? There's no way I can join the journey from here to Keja.
Yeah.
But I like those
So any
things.
any
I
any
like that
any
it's
applications you
nice.
like, it could be Facebook, Instagram, and all of those things, right? Just design four screens out of
But
it.
the hospital is
Maybe the
very
onboarding,
nice.
the sign up page, authentication part,
Right.
anything.
I don't want to
Just
give them
design four
there at
screens
least I should be budgeting 600.
and you share. But also don't forget that the first assignment is what you need to do on this part, on this page, not any other place. So let me delete some pages, move forward. Assignment, web interface. Let's just delete web interface for now. Actually, delete not kids.
Mm.
Yeah,
We also need the editor
Never
set.
see island.
yeah. I need to give you guys editor sets. Oh, so isn't it as editor sets? Okay, can edit, can edit, can edit,
This first half, I
can
didn't
edit,
realize it's
and can edit.
it's so far from a lot of activities.
Also, you said we should design the interface. You know, we can just do a screenshot and just come and drop it on the back.
Yeah, you design the interface. No, I need to see
I
the
don't know
link
if we can
of
look
what
for
the
more.
interface looks
Or
like.
even island is, but probably maybe somewhere maybe in Lava.
You guys want to use tweets for me?
Please,
Wow.
what's the second assignment, please?
This is it. Access your favorite application and design full screens from the interface.
Alrighty, thank you.
All right. It's been a
Oh,
good one.
I see why Adimbola said we can just do screenshots. Alright.
Yeah. The ask is here. You guys have to share your
The link. Alright.
yeah, the link.
Layers and everything. So
Yeah.
there's no getting away with it.
Yeah. I mean, if you decide to get away with it, me, I already know this thing. It's you guys. You guys just need to be truthful to yourself, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, that's it. I think that's the end of today's lecture. It's been a good one. Thank you for the
Thank you,
question.
thank you, thank you.
Yeah, the network today.
Hi guys, thank you so much. Tayo, thank you. This was a very interesting class and it was well detailed. Like I learned a lot. I'm sure everybody learned a lot as well. So what else? I think this is the end of the class. I don't know, Tayo, do you have to add anything or we should just end the class and
No, nothing to add again.
okay, please. I hope you guys work on your assignments because last week I think it was only just two people that did something. At least it's something that encouraged us to know that okay, that what we are actually teaching you guys that probably you guys are learning. It's just like a way for us to like measure growth. Do you get? So it would be nice to have you guys to show us something at least. Just show us, let us know that what we are teaching, that we are not just wasting time here because also everybody we have spent like 2 hours here, so at least it's going to be encouraging us that okay, that we are not just doing this thing and nothing is coming out from it. So yeah, that's it for me. And also guys, please, I don't know if you're not following us on Instagram, please follow us. So I will knew that I'm kneeling down as I'm saying it. Follow us on Instagram at design nest. It's design nest designers, yeah, just search for designers on Instagram and follow us, and also our YouTube page, follow us so that I can get to like watch these videos because it's being recorded, so I'll be uploading them today. So follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and also on Twitter. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you everyone.
Share the YouTube link also.
The link
let's have
to the
the
WhatsApp,
YouTube.
to the YouTube. Okay.
Press the.
Thank you so much, Dayo. Thank you, Linda. Very nice class today. Very, very.
Also, we love feedback, so please, can you guys just drop your feedbacks on WhatsApp or on this place so I can just take a screenshot. So we love feedbacks too. So give us feedbacks if you love the class, if you enjoyed it, if you want to join the next class, give us good feedbacks. If you have bad feedbacks, give us. It's a way of improving anyway.
Feedback is feedback.
Drop us feedback.
Who is that? You want to drop bad feedback, Adebola?
No, I don't think so. I actually say when they drop feedback, bad feedback.
I don't know. Feedback is feedback. Oh, just give us feedback. So we just use it to. It's kind of encouraging. We know if we are doing well or we are not doing well. We'll get to know. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Please let us try as much as possible to join the next class as well, so that we know that all our efforts are not being wasted. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's also appreciate the guys that joined in. It's not very easy with the current state of Nigeria. Internet, lights, and everything. But you guys are still picking it up.
Yeah.
It really makes sense.
Actually, I've
Yeah.
got to know Adebola, Gani, and there's one more person that I always see on this class. Thank you guys for being consistent. It's really encouraging. Thank you. All right.
It's a pleasure. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
All right, cheers, guys.
Oof, I'm so fucking tired. Yeah. What our next move now?
Break.
If I go downstairs, I'll give it to the kids, my people.
I've already said
Ah,
I'm
yes.
yes,
I don't like this cake. Ah, I was expecting that it would be the person that buy this particular time.
Do you have any type that you buy there that is nice?
There's no particular myself to buy.